Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We are coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the AdvaMed 2011, the MedTech Conference, and we're in Washington, D.C. I have Tim Gleeson of Novasyte, a private company. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, let's get the overview of Novasyte.
Sure, yeah. 3.5 years ago, we started Novasyte based on a need we had as sales and sales managers working for Covidien. We found much of our year was spent in the sales role actually educating end users. So, as I said, 3.5 years ago, we decided to leave and start Novasyte, and now we provide, Covidien being one of the customers, med device customers, post-sale education, and we do that with both field-based clinical experts, nurses, and a video chat solution that assists patients in the home in an on-demand basis.
What better way is there for post-sales integration by the patients and the professionals? I like it. So, tell me specifically like a product that it would work with.
Yeah, well, a great category for us has been wound care, and that's been predominantly in the negative pressure wound therapy market. Very difficult to take the product from the acute care setting or a long-term care setting, and then it follows that patient all the way home. So we've been very successful in assisting in scaling up education when it's needed, and then following up sort of on demand. So negative pressure has been a really good highlight for us.
So you're like also an additional help in compliance by patients, correct?
Yes, to an extent. I mean, obviously the goal here is to make sure the customer is absolutely 100% sure how to use their product, and when it's not working appropriately, to fix it. But there is a compliance factor, for sure.
I like that. So where's the future and where's the trend? How do you grow your company?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I think we can, in our core business, we can focus on growing with an existing customer base, and that looks pretty promising. Over time, I think really what we're going to see is a movement from consuming data on demand. So we're going to be having people educate when they want to be educated, and as that moves, it'll be much easier to scale, and we'll see that going into global markets pretty quickly.
So why did you come to an AdvaMed conference?
Well, it's the first time we've been at AdvaMed. You know, we focused a lot on device-friendly conferences where traditionally exhibitors are our main customers. We found that AdvaMed, the audience, was going to be pretty in line with decision makers based on sort of who we're targeting, and we thought this was the #1 conference to be exposed to as it relates to device. So that's why we're here.
And how have you found it so far?
Great conference. Obviously it's day one for us in regards to exhibiting. I think the speaker sessions have been fantastic, some of them that we've been able to get to, and obviously the president's speech was pretty good. So
it was brilliant.
Yeah, it was really good.
So question.
Yeah.
So you have the potential to pick up not only people walking around, but other companies that have products. So you could partner up with various different companies here that are kind of having a problem that you could be an answer to, no?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think, in any one of the exhibitors here and in any one of the attendees walking past, we certainly have an opportunity to assist, and obviously the value proposition there depends on who we're speaking to, but, decreasing their fixed overhead costs and increasing their customer service is effectively what we're doing.
So now, for the viewers, let's get your website out there.
Sure, it's www.novasyte, and that's NOVASYTE.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tim Gleeson of Novasyte, a private company. Tim, thanks for coming on.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Great job.
Thank you.